In this video we will see how to get dark mode in YouTube. You can easily convert your YouTube into dark mode. Very easy and simple trick. Just open your YouTube. Here you can see method how to convert your YouTube account into dark mode. This is simple trick. Just open your YouTube account. Just open YouTube and here you can see type on profile icon. Here you can see setting option. Just click on setting. Here you can see general setting. Just click on general. Here you can see dark theme. Just on this option. I on this. You can easily convert your YouTube into dark mode. Here you can see this is dark mode in YouTube. To convert back into simple mode, just go to setting. Click on general. Click off dark theme. You can easily convert your YouTube into dark mode and simple mode. If you like this video, share our video.